So here at Charlie Safaris, and the millwork is starting to go in. This is the millwork. These are the cabinets that are built in pieces that Lewis Associates designed, and then they put them on site, put them all together. And this is the cafe portion of Charlie Safaris food service operation. So the commercial kitchen's in the back, and this is the side of to the customer. And then you walk over here and they're just setting the bases now. This is the ice cream concept. It's going to have soft ice cream and hard ice cream. And so they always set bases for the cabinets first, and then they put the cabinets down. And as you can see, there's rough-in that's stubbed out, and that's what will come up the power for the equipment that goes into the cabinet. So if we walk back over here, you'll see this right here. There's your power. They'll have a plug, because this whole area that's void and open will have a big piece of equipment, a refrigerated prep table that has condiments for their pizza program. And this up here will have, of course, the top, and the front will all be finished, laminated. You won't even see these sections that you see right now. So see, it's all brought in modular sections. They build it in the shop, and then they'll put a face on the front of this and then laminate that, and you won't even know that it looks like it's all one piece. And so that's how you do commercial food service millwork, and an example of. And so this is for Lewis Design Associates, and Lou Schildmeyer, the principal owner, designed all these cabinets as part of his design for the food service facility at Charlie Safaris.